Hi, this video is to talk about the other type of problem that you can answer with the normal probability distribution. This is part B on our slides in the same company, the Greer Tire Company, and we have a problem like this. What should be the guaranteed mileage if Greer wants no more than 10% of tires to be eligible for the discount guarantee? So to start working on this problem, you have to draw to understand if we're talking about to figure out if there is to the left lower tail or to the right upper tail of the distribution. So again, let's go to my let's see here where I go. Here, okay. So let me start a new table here. So the problem says, what is the mileage that I have to provide? What's the mileage if I want no more than 10% of all tires to be eligible for the guaranteed policy? So I know that this figure, this entire figure here, all this figure is 100%. Okay? This is 100%. It starts from here and goes up to the upper tail, which it gives us 100. So if I say that I want no more than 10%, I'm going to draw another one here. If I say that I want no more than 10%, so where is the 10% located? Is 10% located here? Is 10% located here? Is 10% located here? Where is the 10% located? So we know that if it starts at the lower tail with 0, 10% should be somewhere here. So this entire area here, this area here is 10%. Okay? So I want to know what is the mileage? What is the number here that gives me 100% of this area? Okay, so that's the question. Remember, the first kind of problem, we know the numbers in each one of the places in this distribution, and we want to know the probability. So I know the price, I know the mileage here, I know the mileage somewhere. I want to know the probability that is higher than a certain mileage. So here's the mileage, here's the probability. I know the mileage, but I don't know the probability. That's the first kind of problem in the previous video. Okay? This kind of problem is different. I know the probability, but I don't know the mileage. So I want to figure out the mileage. This is what these problems are about. Okay? The part B kind of problem. So to solve that, you have to draw and understand which side of the distribution we are discussing. Let's take a look again at the application, a problem we saw before. So here is, that's the problem. What is the cost for the highest 3% of domestic airfares? Okay, so let me go back to here again, start a new one. Okay, so I can draw here. I can draw. So I want the highest 3%. Where is the highest 3% located in this distribution? Is highest percent here, or is the highest percent here? So it's here, right? It's in this side. That's the top 3%. I don't know if this is the right size, but here I have 3%. I know that the mean is 385. Right? But I don't know what this value is. So what is the number? What is the amount? What is the price? What is the cost for the airline tickets that gives me the top 3%? That splits the distribution in the let me go up. This is 97% cheaper and the 3% more expensive. Okay, so that's the question we're talking about here. And to solve this question, again, you have to use the mean and standard deviation. That's the reason You learn that in chapter 3. In the next video, I'm going to show how to use Excel to solve these problems.